Hey, hello everyone, this is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free training, I'm going to be sharing with you some cool tools and resources and incredibly useful formula with you that I shared in a previous video called the R.A.D formula. And this is perfect because I'm talking about the 10 tips for successful guest posting. In each tip, I'm going to be sharing with you different resources, but the R.A.D formula starts with number one, relevance, making sure that the blog that you're trying to do guest posting on is relevant to your content and your target audience. Authority, making sure that it has high authority, and then you're doing your due diligence as far as researching and seeing that if it's an actual credible blog and useful enough for your objectives and your goals. So that's just a matter of like creating certain different key performance indicators and just being clear of them. But in this video, I want to be talking about the 10 tips for successful guest posting, and this is going to be with the help of AI and automation tools. So I'm going to be talking about all that in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start reading with you. Guest blogging is a great way to improve your SEO and traffic, but it's important to do it right. Here are 10 tips for successful guest blogging. You want to set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your guest blogging? Are you trying to just increase traffic to your website, or do you want to build backlinks over time? Because if you do guest posting on .edu websites like educational sites, websites that are mainly associated with libraries and schools, then you can definitely get some high quality targeted backlinks. And I actually even have an entire training about EDU backlinks, and I'll be sure to link that in the description as well. Or do you want to just establish yourself as an authority in your field? And you can actually accomplish all three of these by writing quality content with your guest posting. Once you know your goals, you can start to target the right blogs and write the right content. So let's talk about doing your research. Before you start pitching your guest posts to the different owners of blogs, you want to take the time to do the research for those blogs that you want to target. What kind of content do they publish? If you're in the health and fitness market, are they doing dietary supplements, or they're mainly just like in the green nutritious field, mainly just like plant-based stuff? Or is your product lineup just around basically skin creams and stuff like that? Yes, both are in health and fitness, but what are the sub niches? You just want to make sure that you're relevant. And who is their audience? What are their submission guidelines? Meaning, what does it take for you to actually put content on their website? And in my previous video with R.A.D formula, I even give you a template for you to just copy and pretty much just fill in the blanks on what to email the blog owners of the website. So be sure to take a look at that video along with this R.A.D formula here. But another thing I'm going to talk about is Drop My Link, which is this website right here. It's a great way to find different websites that's related to your niche. All you got to do is just put your market in here, pick the type of category, whether you want comment backlinks, forum backlinks, you want to do guest posts, which we're talking about in this video, and the different footprints. So if you're looking for forums, they have a specific type of footprints. If you're looking for threads, if you're looking for discussion boards, then you can make those adjustments there. And then you click on search, and it's just going to compile all the different search results and blogs that are related to that. And once you have a list, you can basically just contact the owner of those websites and use this formula here. So you can use that template to contact the owner of the website, and you want to be clear on what their submission guidelines are. This will help you to ensure that your guest posts are a good fit for the blog and that you're more likely to get accepted. And then the next step is you want to write high quality content. This is sort of a given, but I want to talk about using AI assistant tools such as Poe. Most folks are familiar with ChatGPT, but if you come to Poe, they actually have all of these on the left hand side. You can just choose whichever one you want. It'll take you directly to that specific machine learning language model, and you can actually just go ahead and type in there as if you're at the website yourself. So I use this alongside with Bard. I love these different AI assistance tools. Bard, I found myself personally, is getting a lot better. I use Microsoft Edge, so on the right hand side, Bing even has its own chatbot, which is GPT-4. And so I use these tools to just help assist with my content because I'll have an idea, and this really helps flesh out everything else. And what I like the most about Bar is it gives you three different drafts. So you just want to make sure that you're writing high quality content, which is the most important tip of all. If you want your guest post to be successful, you need to write high quality content that's informative, engaging, and well written. And you can always adjust the different tonalities and writing styles with Bar, which is really great with copywriting, especially when you're focusing on search engine optimization as well. You want to take the time to research the topic, outline your posts, and write a clear and concise piece of content. Then what you want to do is you want to promote your guest posts. Once your guest posts are published, don't forget to promote them. So on your social media, you want to email your subscribers. I have an entire playlist on email marketing, so I'll be sure to link that as well. And then you want to add them to your website, so just embed it onto your blog. And then the more people who see your guest posts, the more traffic it drives to your website. You can even send out solo ads. And then you want to build a relationship with other bloggers in your niche. This kind of goes without saying, but collaborations are really important. Guest blogging is a great way to build relationships with other bloggers, especially also through solo ads as well. When you write a guest post for a blog, take the time to connect with the blog owners and the other contributors. This will help you to build relationships and get your foot in the door for future guest blogging opportunities. And then you want to make sure that you're being patient. Guest blogging does take time, so don't expect to see results overnight. One thing that I forgot to mention is this software here called Sue Social. So if you need help in regards to promoting your content on social media and you just want to do it automatically, like through automation tools, this is similar to my previous videos on Jarvee and Mass Planner, which I'll be sure to link in the tools and resources below or in the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I have training on all this stuff, but this is an automation tool that you can use to basically plug in your different accounts, and then it will do all of the actions for you in regards to liking. You can put keywords in there for it to target different people in your industry that you're trying to follow. This really helps out with efficiency. So I'll be sure to link this information in the description, but Sue Social really helps with social media marketing. So I wanted to bring that to your attention, but you just want to make sure that you're creating great content and promoting your guest posts, and just keep doing that consistently, and you'll eventually start to see a positive impact on your SEO and traffic. Just grind it out and just work on it every single day. So I got some additional tips for you here that'll help improve the overall performance of your business and your guest blogging success. Target high quality blogs. When you're targeting blogs to guest post on, look for blogs that have a large and engaged audience. You want to make sure that you're going after sites that have a lot of different traffic. You also want to make sure that the blog's content is relevant to your own niche. You can go to a website called Swipeworthy, which is a copywriting website, reverse engineered marketing and copywriting inspiration. You can come here for inspiration related to your niche. So if you're new to the niche, or if you only got like a few months in, but you're still kind of new, these are proven templates in all of the different markets that you're more likely going to be in if you're in affiliate marketing or if you're in business. And you can just pick your niche in here and the different types of ads, whether it be advertisements, articles, advertorials, editorials. So this is a great place to come to, and then you can always just creatively be influenced from this, take it, and then put it in the AI assistance tool, and then just take a couple of the different drafts, merge them together, rewrite stuff, move stuff around, and then just create your own version of it. All right. So when you're writing a guest post, it's important to write about something that you're already passionate about. AI assistance really helps with sort of filling in the gap when you don't have the know-how. But when you're passionate about it, your personal enthusiasm and experience comes through the wording. So you just want to make sure that you're doing that because it's more engaging and informative. But again, you can adjust the tonalities and writing styles in the AI assistance tool. And then again, you want to make sure that you're promoting your guest posts on social media. I talked about that with Sue Social. You can use Sue Social and automation tools such as that, or Jarvee and Mass Planner if you still do have access to that software. This will help you to drive traffic to your website and get more exposure for your work. And then after you get success, you just want to make sure that you're appreciative and thankful. And so you want to follow up with the blog owner and say, hey, thank you for the opportunity to do a guest post, and let them know that you're happy with the results. That way you can maintain a stable relationship with the folks in your industry. All right. And I hope you enjoy it. Again, I'll be sure to link the R.A.D formula along with that video to accompany it. Remember, you can use Drop My Link to find different blogs and articles and places that you can go to do guest posting. You just select the category here for guest posts and then put your market, your keyword, or your niche in here. And if you need further instructions about this, I actually have a few different videos about Drop My Link, or you can just click on this where it says, how do I get started? And be sure to take a look at the rest of the different tools and the resources that I mentioned. They'll be right below in the description, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I have all these different websites that I talked about in this video, and be sure to subscribe. And if you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check my website, jonathancoates.net. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.